Hi everyone. So by the way, I am Ista Marie Eleanorias, BSF 2A. So our topic is all about seed technology. So let me discuss first about seed. So a seed is a small embryonic plant enclosed in a covering called the seed coat, usually with some stored food. The formation of the seed completes the process of reproduction in seed plants. So seeds of different plants may vary in many ways, but the basic anatomy remains the same. So a typical seed consists of the following parts: food star, seed coat, first leaf, and embryo. So food star is present in most seeds in the form of carbohydrates, fats, and proteins, also used to support the embryo during seed germination. And seed coat is simultaneously to protect the embryo and to transmit information regarding the external environment. And first leaf is to produce food for the plant by photosynthesis. And while embryo develops after a fertilized adult plant flowers and is generally contained within a seed or a pod. So these are some of different kind of seeds. So seed functions serve several functions for the plants that produce them. So key among these functions are nourishment of the embryo, dispersal to a new location, and dormancy during unfavorable conditions. So seed fundamentally are a means of reproduction, and most seeds are the product of sexual reproduction, which produces a remixing of genetic material and phenotype variability that natural selection acts on. So what is seed technology? So according to Feist-Wieser, 1975, defines seed technology as the methods through which the genetic and physical characteristics of seeds could be improved, and it involves such activities as variety development, evaluation and release, seed production, processing, storage, and certification. So what is the importance of seed technology in the society? So before that, seed technology served as a basic tool for secured food supply and is an effective carrier of newer technologies. So the continuous advancement in seed sciences and technologies ensures seeds are developed, processed, and maintained with high quality. If a seed supply is not cared for properly, it will lose its ability to sprout, resulting in empty fields.
Hello everybody, this is Jolivic Gato. So today I'll be reporting the importance of seed technology to crop production, and the importance of seed technology to crop science is also the goals of seed technology. So, what is the importance of seed technology to crop production? The first one is seeds are the easiest and fastest means of plant multiplication, and therefore, knowledge in producing, handling, and storing high quality seeds is necessary for successful crop production. And the third one is seeds remain to be the most important form of germplasm. And fourth, as such, maintaining the viability of seeds under storage ensures the availability of genetic material which could be used for crop improvement. What is the importance of seed technology to crop science? First is by studying the seed of germinating seedling, man has gained knowledge about growth, regulators, respiration, cell division, morphogenesis, photosynthesis, and other metabolic processes. Second, this is possible since inside each seed is a living plant capable for exhibiting almost all the processes found in the mature plant.
Good morning everyone. This is my report. What is RE7308? RE7308 an act to promote and develop the seed industry in the Philippines and create the National Seed Industry Council and for other purposes. What are the responsibilities of the government under RE7308? So these are the responsibilities that under the RA7308. A is conserve, preserve, and develop the plant genetic resources of the nation. Understandable naman na siya guys, ang conserve and preserve. So encourage, B is encourage and hasten the organization of all sectors engaged in the industry, integrate all their activities and provide assistance to them. C. Consider the seed industry as preferred area of investment. D. Encourage the private sector to engage in seed research and development and in mass production and distribution of good quality seeds, and provide the local industry protection against unfair competitions from imported seeds. That's all. Thank you.
Good day everyone, I am Irami Polina from BSF 2A. My topic is all about seed production and seed processing. First one, seed production. Seed production requires favorable weather conditions during flowering and the development of seeds, as well as the absence of damaging insects. Pioneers in general produce more and lighter seeds. Storage conditions became important immediately after ripening of the seeds. Seed production. First, despite a huge institutional framework for seed production both in the public and private sector. Second, availability of good quality seeds continues to be a problem for the farmers. Third, as a result, they preferred to rely on farm save seeds. Seed replacement rate continues to remain in the range of 2 to 10% in certain states for certain crops, which is much below the desired level of 20% of the most crops. Fourth, as well known, seed replacement rate has a strong positive correlation with the productivity and production of crops. Fifth, there is a need to be rejuvenated the seeds sector through revamping the public sector seeds companies, including the state seed corporations. Next is importance of seed production. First, multiplication of superior varieties. Second, availability of superior varieties to masses. Third, maintenance of genetic purity. Fourth, supply of high quality seeds with excellent quality. Fifth, seeds have high germination status. 7. Seeds have high vigor and viability status. 8. Seeds have high physical purity. 9. It maintains the excellent health status of seed. Next is seed production in field. It includes first, selection of appropriate field. Second, sowing a class of improved seed. Third, maintenance of recommended isolation distance. Fourth, establishment of appropriate male-female ratio. 6. Following recommended agronomy. 7. Roughing of types. 8. Field inspection. 9. Harvesting, threshing, and storage with care. Next is the example of seed production. Next is the steps of seed production. Rugging in the most of the field crops may be done at many of the following stages as per needs of the seed crops. First is vegetative or pre-flowering stage. Second, flowering stage. Third, maturity stage. Next is seed processing. Seed processing or seed conditioning is the preparation of harvested seed for marketing to farmers. The processes involved include drying, threshing, pre-cleaning, cleaning, size grading, treating, quality testing, packaging, and labeling. Seed processing means improving the quality of harvested seed, including several operations, starting from harvesting of seed crop till its marketing. Next is principle of seed processing. The principal operations in a seed processing plant are reception, drying, cleaning, and grading, treatment and weighing, packaging, and storage. Seed processing begins with reception of the raw seed at the processing plant. Next is importance of seed processing. Seed processing is a vital part of the total technology involved in making available high-quality seed. It assures the end users seeds of high quality with minimum adulteration. In agriculture, the term seed processing includes cleaning, drying, seed treatment, packaging, and storage. Next is the steps in seed processing. First, fresh seed from field. Second, moisture testing. Third, drying. Fourth, pre-cleaning. Fifth, fine cleaning. Sixth, grading or gravity separation. 7. Seed treatment. 8. Seed packaging. Next is objectives of seed processing. First, to improve seed quality through removal of adulterants, non-seed material, broken seed. Second, to maintain seed viability and vigor. Third, to make seed handling easy. Fourth, to increase real value of seed. The real value is equals purity percent times germination percent over 100. Next is methods used for seed processing. First, seed drying. Second, seed cleaning. Third, seed grading. Fourth, seed packaging. Fifth, seed labeling. Next are the example of seeds processing.
I'm Rosemi Sala, and now I will discuss about seed storage and seed testing. Seed testing. Seed testing is required to assess the seed quality attributes of the seed lots which have to be offered for sale. These quality attributes are seed moisture content, germination and vigor, physical and genetic purity, freedom from seed-borne diseases and insects infestation. Objective and importance of seed testing. Seed testing is required to achieve the following. Objective for minimizing the risk of planting low-quality seeds. First is to identify the quality problem and their probable cause, to determine their quality, that is their suitability for planting. To determine the need for dyeing processing and specific procedure that should be used. To determine if seeds meets established quality standards for labeling specifications. To establish quality and provide a basis for price and consumer discrimination among lots in the market. The primary aim of the seed testing is to obtain accurate and reproducible results regarding the quality status of the seed samples submitted to the seed testing laboratories. Analysis of seed in the laboratory. Seed testing possible for all those who produce, sell, and seeds. Seed testing is slightly specialized and technical job with a view to maintain uniformity in quality control. The seed analysis laboratory includes four distinct sections. Selection for purity testing. Purity analysis of seed lot is considered under two factors. First is testing the cleanliness of seed lot and testing the genuineness of the cultivar. Second, selection of moisture testing. Third, selection of viability, germination, and section of vigor testing. Importance of seed testing. The importance of seed was realized more than 100 years ago for assured planting values. Seed testing has been developed to aid agriculture to avoid some of the hazards of crop production by furnishing the needed information about different quality attributes. Quality control of seed depends on the different testing protocols which determine the genuineness of the cultivar. A testing of seed is of seed to evaluate the planting value and the authenticity of the certified lot. The testing of seed quality is carried out on seed samples drawn from seed lot to be used for cultivation. Seed storage is the preservation of seed under controlled environmental conditions which all prolong the viability of the seed for long periods. Two types of seed stores are used for collection of genetic resources: those holding base collection and those holding active collections. Why are seeds stored? Seed must be stored in a way which maintain their viability for long periods. Seed left at ambient temperature and relative humidities with low viability quickly wilts. Seeds stored in condition of low moisture content and temperature will retain their viability for long periods. Purpose of seed storage. Seed storage is the maintenance of high seed germination and vigor from harvest until planting. Is important to indicate plant stands in addition to healthy and vigorous plant. The purpose of seed storage is to maintain the seed in a good physical and psychological condition from the time they are harvested until the time they are planted. Why should seed placed into store? As soon as the seed has matured on the plant, the slow process of deterioration begins. Therefore, the sooner that seeds are placed into store, the better. The soonest the seed are placed into the store, the better. In practical terms, this means that seeds collected on the field should be quickly returned to gene bank, processed, and placed into store as soon as the cleaning, drying, and packaging process are complete. Principles of seed storage. In the natural environment and when stored at ambient room condition, seeds respond to constantly changing relative humidity and temperatures. Maintaining seeds under controlled conditions lower metabolic activity, thereby reducing the aging process and increasing longevity of the seed lot. For most seeds, a cool and dry environment is preferred, and for orthodox seeds, the cooler and the drier, the greater the longevity that can be achieved. Harrington's rule it states that, first, each 1% reduction in moisture content doubles the life of the seed. Second, each 10° F reduction in temperature doubles the life of the seed.
Seed certification and seed marketing. Seed certification is a legally sanctioned system to maintain quality of seeds during seed production, post-harvest operation, and distribution of seeds. Seed certification is a quality assurance process. Seeds intended for domestic and international market is controlled and inspected by official sources in order to guarantee consistent high quality for consumers. It includes field inspection, seed quality test, and pre- and post-quality check. Certification is a voluntary process, for labeling is compulsory. In general, seed certification is a process designed to maintain and make available to the general public continuous supply of high-quality seeds and propagating materials of notified kinds and varieties of crops, to grow and distributed to ensure the physical identity and genetic purity. Seed certification is a legally sanctioned system for quality control of seeds multiplication and production. The objective of seed certification is to ensure the acceptance standard of seeds viability, vigor, purity, and seed health. A well-organized certification should help in accomplishing the following three primary objectives: the systematic increase of superior varieties, the identification of new varieties under rapid increase under appropriate and generally accepted names, provisions of continuous supply of comparable materials by careful maintenance, phases of seed certification. Certification is carried out in 6 broad phases listed as under receipt and scrutiny of application. Number 2, verification of seed source class and other requirements of the seed used for raising the seed crop. Number 3, inspection of the seed crops in the field to verify its conformity to the prescribed field standards. Number 4, conservation at post-harvest stages include processing and packing. Number 5, drawing of samples and arranging for analysis for verify conformity to the city standards. And number 6, grant of certificate, issue of certification, tags, labeling, selling, etc. Seed marketing. Seed marketing is one of the vital components of seed technology. In broad sense, it covers all the activities involved in the flow of seeds from production to consumption. However, in narrow sense, it refers to the actual acquisitions and selling or pack seeds, intermediate storage, deliver and sell, promotional activities. Organizational church. Number 1, product management concentrates on developing and implementing marketing policy for a seed product or range of products. Number 2, advertising, promotion and public relations, sales order administrations and dispatch, stock control and quality assurance, distribution and transport, sales and invoicing, management information, customer care. The promotional activities, advertisements, message sent via the media to inform and influence the farmer, sales promotions, specific techniques designed to increase sales or particular seeds, personal sellings, the importance of salesmanship, publicity and public relations. Generally, communication which is designed to promote the company's image rather than the specific seeds. Seed marketing. Seed marketing should aim to satisfy the farmer's demand for reliable supplies of a range of improved seeds varieties of assured quality at an acceptable price. To the retailer in the agricultural sector, for example, it is selling seeds along with output with other inputs to the farmers. To the farmers, it is simply selling what he produces on his farms. However, what the circumstances of well-defined sequence of events has to take place to promote the product and to put in the right place and the right time and the right price for sale to be made. Too many people think of marketing solely in terms of the advertising and selling of goods, whereas in reality, marketing starts long before the goods exist and continues long after they are sold. Therefore, for the marketing process to be successful, the consumers need must be satisfied. The seed company objective must be realized.
Good day everyone. Now I will tackle my report. The relationship of seeds technology to other science. First is genetic and plants breeding, agronomy, horticulture, plant pathology, entomology, taxonomy, plants physiology, agricultural economics, agricultural engineering, agricultural extension. First is genetic and plants breeding. The plants genetic develop new crop varieties which are high yielding and superior in resistance to diseases and pests as compared to existing one. They are also associated with the maintenance of nucleus and breeder seeds and grow out test, etc. Plants breeding is the science of changing the traits of plants in order to produce desired characteristics. It has been used to improve the quality of nutrients in product for humans and animals. The goals of plants breeder are to produce crops varieties that boast unique and superior traits for a variety of agricultural applications. Second is agronomy. The agronomist provides suitable package of practice for growing, harvesting, and handling of seed crops in order to obtain maximum seeds yield and best possible seed quality. Agronomy is the science and technology of producing and using plants in agricultural for food, fuels, fiber, recreation, and land restoration. Next is horticulture. The horticulturists provide a suitable package of practices for growing, harvesting, and handling vegetable, flower, and other horticulture crops to ensure maximum seed yield and best possible seeds quality. Horticulture is the science and art of the development, suitable production, marketing, and use high value intensively cultivated food and ornamental plants. Next is plant pathology. The role of plant pathologists in seed production is to produce and distribute disease process, and hence they provide package in regard to seed treatment and plant protection measure to be adapted in order to produce disease-free seeds. They are also involved in the development of the seed health testing techniques for detection of seed-borne disease and plants quarantine. Plant pathology is the science that studies the causes of plants disease, the mechanism by which diseases develop in individual plants and in plants population, and the ways and means by which disease can be managed or controlled. Entomology. The entomologists provide a package with regard to pest control during seeds production and seed storage to ensure good seeds quality and minimum losses due to storage. They are also involved in the development of seed health testing techniques for the detection and determination of insect pest infestation and plant quarantine. Entomology is the study of insects. Insects have lived on Earth for more than 350 million years. Entomology is crucial to our understanding of human disease, agriculture, evolution, ecology, and biodiversity. Entomologists are people who study insects as a career, amateur, or both. Taxonomy. The taxonomists provide information necessary for identification of various crops and weed seed and cataloging of germplasm, varieties, etc. Taxonomy is the practice and science of categorization or classification in a wider, more general sense. It may refer to categorization of things or concepts as well as to principle underlying, such as categorization. Taxonomy, organized taxonomic units known as taxa or singular taxon. Plant physiology. The physiologist helps in understanding various planting, seed quality problem, seed development and maturation, and seed storage problem under possible solution. They are associated with the development of techniques for seed germination, seed vigor, seed viability testing. Report. Isa pa.
Plant ka?
Wala eh. Plant physiology is a subdiscipline of botany concerned with the physical, chemical, and biological functioning of plants. Agricultural economic. The provide necessary guidance in relation to seed marketing problems and helps in devising suitable marketing and distribution system. They are also concerned with the management aspect in the determination of cost, benefits ratio, seed price, fixation, etc.
Amen. Ako. Sika.
Agricultural economics is an applied field of economic concerned with the application of economic theory in optimizing farm production and agribusiness system.
Amen.
Agricultural economics influence food policy, agricultural policy, and environmental policy. Agricultural engineering. The agricultural engineers are associated with the development of suitable seeds, planting, harvesting, machinery for seed crops, and also the seeds drying, processing machinery, seed handling, and seed testing equipment. Agricultural engineering is a very diverse engineering major. Agricultural engineers solve problems related to agricultural equipment, water quality and water management, biological products, livestock facilities, food processing, and many other agricultural areas. Agricultural extension. The extension agencies are involved in popularizing the use of high quality seeds of high yielding varieties amongst the farming community, and also give feedback to the researcher for the problem of farmer. Agricultural extension, also known as agricultural advisory services, plays a crucial role in boosting agricultural productivity, increasing food security, improving rural livelihoods, and promoting agricultural as an engine of proper economic growth.
Thank you.